how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up my Bolzano handbag subscription, and extra exciting, we'll also be drawing a winner live for the Bolzano giveaway. In my last Bolzano video, I talked about that giveaway. I will link that down below if you don't remember the details. But they sent me over an Excel sheet, so I will use a random comment generator and pick the winner after the unboxing. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. If you love that sort of thing, I would absolutely love if you subscribed and joined us. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you, I have a self-care giveaway going on. If you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video. But yeah, let's get started. So we have this big bag here. Bolzano offers several subscription plans. I will link them down below. So you can either get a handbag every month, or you can get a handbag with some accessories as well, or even you have the option to add on some beauty items. So I will leave all that information down below. I also have a promo code that's not affiliated, meaning I don't make any money from it. It's just to benefit you guys. If you decide to subscribe to Bolzano, then you can use that code to get a free gift valued around $45. So I know I've said this multiple times, but all the details for that will be in the description box. But anyways, let's get started on the unboxing. So the bags always come in a duster bag, which you can store your bags in or use like as a tote bag, whatever you choose to do. It's always tied up in some little ribbon, and on here it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." So true. Ooh, guys, the bag is super cute. It's like this white gray, like what would you call this? But this is what the bag looks like. It's heavy. I can tell there's some stuff inside. Usually they send me both the accessories and the beauty subscription as well. I love this. So it has their little logo there, and there is a zipper closure on top. Yep, there's a bag full of goodies here we'll open next. And like usual, they offer different straps, so you can either use the handles like this or put this on so it's more like a crossbody. And it's super easy to attach. There's just little loopholes in here. And wow, this is super cool. So on the inside, it has like a mini bag in it. So there's this here with the zipper, and then there's two compartments on either side. So I think that is super unique. So yeah, there's the inner compartment, and then you can put stuff on either side like I said. This is so awesome. I love Bolzano bags. They're made with like PETA certified vegan leather, and they're such good quality and they last forever. So it has little things on the bottom so you can stand it upright. I love this so much. I think this is so cute. So yeah, that is the bag for May. If you guys get this subscription, I would love to know, did you guys get the same bag? Because I know oftentimes there could be variations, at least in color, but sometimes you can get a totally different bag, because when you sign up and subscribe, you fill out like a profile and let them know what styles you like. And if you get a bag that doesn't match your style profile, they offer free exchanges. So now let's see what's in this bag. There's so much stuff in here. I'll just grab one thing at a time. So the first thing I grabbed out, it's like a little suitcase. How cute is this? And it looks like something slides out. Oh, and this will be our jewelry accessories. What a cute little storage case. It says Sophia on here, so I'm guessing that is the brand. And it looks like in here we have a charm bracelet, and it's all about travel, the charms, which hopefully we will all be able to start doing soon. So there's one on here that says passport. There is a little charm with the world on it. There's an airplane, a compass, and then the last one, what is this? It's like a little postcard. And you can move this so you can fit it on easily. I think this is super cute. And I love that it comes in this nice little storage bag, storage box. Like seriously, how cute. So the packaging matches the charm bracelet so perfect. I think this is adorable. Next up, oh, it looks like we have something similar to the makeup eraser, but on here it says makeup remover, and it's developed for sensitive skin. If you guys have never used one of these, they work so well and are such a great alternative to makeup wipes because they're not like producing any waste. So on the back of here it says ultra soft reusable microfiber cloth for makeup remover. Directions: wash the cloth before first use. That's really important. I forgot to do that before with a past cloth I received, and it just didn't really work. But once you wash it, it like activates it or something. I don't really understand that, but then it'll work. And then it says saturate a portion of the cloth with the warm water and gently wipe makeup off and wash as needed. So all you need is water. It says it will even remove waterproof mascara. So let's feel it. Usually they're super soft. Yes, super soft. And it is really large, so you could use it multiple times before you have to wash it again. Yeah, so soft. Awesome. I think these are great. I'm so happy they included them in their subscription. And next we have something by Clearance, and this is a full-size large item. This is their Body Lift Cellulite Control. It says it targets early and stubborn cellulite, smooths, firms, and refines, and it's 200 milliliters. It says a Clearance innovation that's expert body care helps streamline the silhouette's appearance and visibly reduces the look of cellulite. Resulting from a collaboration between Clearance research and experts in the scientific field, this cream gel is formulated using 8 plant extracts and is proven effective in reducing the look of cellulite over the course of its development. So it minimizes the look of even the most stubborn cellulite and helps maintain the skin's smooth aspect. It has a superficial tightening effect that promotes skin to look smoother on the hips and thighs, visibly enhances skin firmness, and provides an intense feeling of lightness thanks to the fresh texture. I could totally use this, and I think this is great to include in this box because it's now summertime. It's always hot here in Florida, but I know it's finally getting warmer in other parts, like in Chicago. I know it's nice and warm now. So here is the actual packaging. So yeah, I'll have to let you guys know how that works. Oh, and there's a little card in here that talks about our purse again. How cute is this? So on here it says, this month we've chosen our Angela especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $175. Wow. Angela is part of our latest collection. It comes in taupe, fog, and pink. Do you think this is taupe or fog? This might be fog, even though it is kind of taupey. And what we love about this bag, it has the Bolzano logo in a sleek metallic finish, adjustable crossbody strap, 3 divisions on the inside, an inside zipper, removable inside pouch. Oh cool, so you can remove that inside pouch. I wasn't aware of that. And it has a structured shape. Yeah, I love this. In here I'll show you a picture of the pink one. And I think that's really cute how they added a scarf there. Oh gosh, and I was gonna do my nails before I filmed, I forgot, ignore that. And then it talks about like some FAQs on the back, so cool. I wish I noticed that earlier, so I did it out of order. Oh, it looks like we have multiple other clearance items in here. Wow, we got a lot this month. So it looks like there's also a mini of the Body Lift Cellulite Control. I'll have to include this probably in my 9,000 subscriber giveaway that's going on. And then we have their extra firming body cream. Oh wow, these all probably work so well together. It says this lifts, tones, and comfort. Yeah, it does say comfort. So first I was like, did I say that wrong? Apply the whole body, working upwards from ankles to the décolleté, concentrating on problem areas. And it says it is allergen testing. And then they also have in here the exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin. It's made with bamboo powders and it softens, smooths, and firms. And on the back it says exfoliate once or twice a week by applying on dry or damp skin, rub gently, rinse well with warm water. Wow, I think all these together would do such a great job at helping get rid of your cellulite, because I think exfoliating definitely helps like break up like the fat deposits which cellulite is composed of, I believe. And then we have these other treatments, the creams, to even help further. Awesome. Man, this is so cute. We have this little baby nail polish by OPI. And this is in, actually I'm not sure what shade this is. It just has like numbers on it. But this is so cute. I might have to add this into my giveaway as well. I keep adding more things. You guys, if you haven't watched, again, I'm gonna link the giveaway video at the end of this one. There's a lot of stuff in there, and I said there'll be surprises, and I've been adding a lot of surprises. I'm so excited for the winner. And then last in here, we have more accessories. So it looks like we have a matching set of earrings and a necklace. I believe, let's see, it says it's stainless steel. Yep, so there's 2 stud earrings and then a necklace. And I think those are so cute. They always send matching stuff. This month I love that they kind of switched it up. So instead of 3 matching items, we have the matching earrings and necklace, and then that pretty charm bracelet that's all about travel that comes in this adorable packaging. I think this was an amazing month. I think the jewelry is really cute, and we got a bunch of body products from Clarins that is great for targeting cellulite, which I know is a concern in the warm weather months, especially because you're showing more skin since the weather is warmer. And we got like a makeup eraser, or makeup remover I should say, that I really recommend these, especially because they're better for the environment and they actually work. And the purse itself, I absolutely love this bag so much. I think this is one of my favorites I've ever received, and I've received a lot. If you guys are considering subscribing to Bolzano but haven't seen like other unboxings, I will list my playlist down below. I've unboxed this for a while now, so I've gotten a lot of different bags, so you can kind of get a feel of what bags they send out, as well as their accessories and their beauty products if you're interested in that. But yeah, that is everything. I would love to know your thoughts, and again, if you guys get Bolzano, let me know what bag you got. And yeah, now I'm gonna pull up that Excel file, and then I will pull up that like random number generator on my phone, and we will pick a winner. All right, so I have the Excel sheet up. I'm not gonna show you guys the Excel sheet just because it has people's like full name and personal information on there. But if you enter, there's a high chance of winning. There's only 35 entrants actually. So let me pull up an app on my phone and we'll pick a winner. All right, so I have the Google one on here, and I put on there, hope you can see that it is ranging from 1 to 35, and let's pick a winner. Sorry, I just did my middle finger to do that. The winning number is 30. And I did not mean to flick anyone off. So 30 is Ashley Taylor. So hopefully Ashley is watching. I will make sure to pin a comment down below. But congratulations, Ashley. You won a free month of Bolzano. I can't wait to hear back from you. I will give Ashley a few days to get back to me, and if I don't hear back, then I will select another winner. I will keep you guys updated in the pinned comment down below. Thank you to everyone that entered, and if you didn't win, don't worry. Like I've mentioned, we have the 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That should be showing up in like a card or a thumbnail, I should say, on the screen right about now. So definitely make sure to enter. We have like 10 more days, I believe, or 9 more days left for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Again, congratulations to Ashley, and thank you, Bolzano, for teaming up for this giveaway. We love giveaways here on our channel. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.